Welcome back, smart shoppers. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. We're comparing the REECOO Steam Mop and the Neugo Steam Mop. Who wouldn't want to clean their floors with the power of steam? Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about the price. The REECOO Steam Mop is priced at a wallet-friendly $69, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious shoppers. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness and versatility, often remarking how it handles multiple cleaning tasks well. However, some users find it challenging to clean the mop heads. On the other side, we have the Neugo Steam Mop, which is priced at $109. While higher, many reviewers recommend it for its effectiveness in sanitizing and cleaning grout, with some noting it exceeded their expectations. So if you're on a budget, REECOO might be your best bet, but Neugo offers premium cleaning for those willing to splurge. Now let's get steamy, literally. The REECOO Steam Mop heats up and releases 260 degrees Fahrenheit steam in just 15 seconds, which many users love for its quick performance. Reviewers rave about its powerful steam, making it effective against stubborn stains. In contrast, Neugo releases 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam. While not as hot, it still effectively removes sticky spots and leaves floors clean, especially praised for its ability to clean up pet accidents without leaving a slippery film. If you're looking for maximum heat, REECOO is your go-to, but Neugo still packs a solid punch. Next, let's talk versatility. The REECOO features a 10-in-1 cleaning design that users love. They appreciate how it can tackle different surfaces, but some found it less effective on certain materials like aluminum. Meanwhile, Neugo offers an adjustable steam mode, allowing users to switch between gentle and powerful steam. Reviewers highlight its effectiveness on laminate and tile floors, making it a great tool for various cleaning needs. If you want a jack of all trades, go for REECOO, but Neugo is perfect for those who want customizable cleaning. Now let's talk ease of use. Reviewers find the REECOO easy to use with a large water tank lasting about 20 minutes. However, some users report issues with the steam ball requiring water to function properly. On the other hand, Neugo features an adjustable height, making it easier to use without bending over, which many reviewers appreciate. They note its simple assembly and sturdy construction. If you want a mop that does the bending for you, Neugo is the way to go, but if you're okay with a bit of elbow grease, REECOO has you covered. Overall, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses. REECOO is praised for its affordability and powerful steam, while Neugo is recommended for its effective cleaning and ease of use. Users appreciate the versatility of REECOO, but often highlight the Neugo's better performance on specific cleaning tasks. So there you have it, folks. The battle of the steam mops. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, versatile option, the REECOO Steam Mop is your best bet. But if you want something with adjustable features and a bit more steam power, Neugo is worth the splurge. Which mop will you be taking home? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart shopping tips. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.